Here is how to use your Noofah.
A Noofah is the only 3-in-1 bath product, and it's designed with sustainability in mind. It dries quickly for travel and the gym. Use the Noofah loofah in all your beauty routines. Wet the Noofah and lather in your favorite soap. Use the soft side to gently cleanse and the mesh to scrub. Turn the Noofah inside of itself to create a bath mitt. Then rinse it out when you're done.
Always hang it to dry and never put it in the dryer. When you're on the go and you need it to dry faster, roll it in a towel and squeeze out all the excess moisture. And then you're ready to go.